Welcome back, VA user. In today's video, we are going to learn how to check that all the application dictionary columns are available into the database. So in this video, we are going to learn that how using the application dictionary, you would be able to validate that all the application dictionary columns or a column available on a certain table are available in database. If it is not available in database, then there are the cases that the system will not load all the records onto the particular video. There might be a certain kind of errors. To avoid all these, it is the first step to check whether all the application dictionary columns are available into the database or not. How we would be able to check that? To check that, we need to log in into the system tenant. Thereafter, we need to open the database schema. And then you need to search the relevant table. Let's suppose at the level of the sales order, the records are not loaded by the system and everything is coming empty. But when we are checking the database and at the background into the database, the record exists, but it is somehow is not loading in this particular video. If such a kind of situation arises, it means that there is an introduction of new column into the application dictionary, but that wasn't synchronized into the database. And due to that, such a kind of issues used to come. Now, if I know that this is the table, and if I want to check the table using the other database or from the database, then you just need to copy this table and search your table/view. So my table is C order. So here we'll search the C order. So here is the C order table. And onto the C order table, I have the button called validate table. Once I will click here, thereafter I would be able to see the application dictionary column and the column available into the database. So you would be able to scroll it down and you would be able to check if there are certain columns which are coming into the red color. It means those are either available into the application dictionary or available into the database. So you would be able to see column is not available into the application dictionary, but it exists into the database. It means there is no issue. But if some column is available at the section of the application dictionary, but it is not available into the database, then there would be a big issue. In such a case, you just need to move on to the application dictionary on that particular column and select that particular column, grid toggle, and you just need to synchronize. So you just need to synchronize that record. Once you synchronize that record, there would be a message came that it is added. So presently it says that it is modified, but when it is a new column, it would be added, okay, into the table. So that is the way how you would be able to check whether all the application dictionary columns exist into the database or not. This is the quickest way to check it up, whether the application dictionary columns available into the database or not, even if you're not a technical person. That's all in this particular video. And if you think that you would be able to verify now the tables after going through this video, then I would like to request you to like our video, subscribe our channel. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.